I'm going to teach you the second part of the Tightrope from The Greatest Showman, which is an awesome song. I love it. It's basically a ballad. If you haven't seen the first video, go back and watch that because we're going to start at the second verse here. And you can kind of watch me. The chords are basically the same for the second verse. It's just a lot less playing. It's just one note per, what am I losing my mind? No, one note per measure. So this is what it looks like. And then it does a little flurry here of thirds. Back into the chorus, super easy. So this is the part where the beautiful D minor chord comes in, and it's actually up here. It's almost like a G major 7, except just missing the G. And then on the bass, it's the 5th. And that was just a D minor arpeggio right there. And then there you have the B minor diminished, or the B diminished with the 7th on there. Plus I guess that's the 11th at the top. And then goes into this is a just a alternating back and forth. Sorry. And then that B diminished, or D minor, comes back. I guess it's a crossover between the two of them. Okay, going back. Here it was before. And this is a D minor walking up. And the ending. there you go.